Hi, welcome to another edition of At Home with Winning Appliances. I'm Gianni, culinary expert, and today I'm going to cook homemade strawberry jam in a V-ZUG kitchen. V-ZUG is an exclusive brand for Winning Appliances. They are Swiss-made, they're leader on the market in a combi steam oven, and they are similar to Winning Appliances when it comes to environmental matter. I preheat already my oven in a steam function. So my pot is ready to do this recipe. We're gonna need just a large pot. I got to just pour 400 grams of fresh strawberry, already washed and rinsed, and had 150 grams of preserved sugar. Another twist I want to like to give to this recipe is just using half fresh lemon. It gives you a little bit of acidity to it. And now basically what is going to be happening that the sugar with the strawberry is going to allow to all the water comes out from the strawberry. It's going to like froth up a little bit. That's why we need a big pot. And what we need to do, we need just to let it drop until it becomes like more dense and gluey. This recipe requires always to stir it. If your sugar is getting butter or everything starts stick on the pan, it's game over. You need to change it and remake it from the scratch. What we're going to concentrate now, I'm going to sterilize my jar using like the preset program from the V-ZUG oven in hygiene, and I'm going to prepare jam jar. So this one is already a preset that the oven offers to me, and I'm going to put like the jar into the oven this way, upside down with the lid. Close it, press start, and let it go. In the meantime, our jam is cooking and our jar is sterilizing. I would like to talk a little bit about the oven. This is a smart oven based working on the sensors. They also have like a climate control. They can regulate, they can recognize how much humidity is in your food. As you can see now, my jam start boiling. So if you like having a jam quite nice and smooth, you can use this tool here just to smash all the strawberry, but what I like it is just having nice, little bit chunky. I'm just going to press a little bit, but leave some chunky pieces. Now it's been cooking for the last 30 minutes. It's reduced a lot. It's more dense and start looking more like a jam. My jar are ready. I'm just going to take them out. And let's just strain here a little bit. All right, to test if your jam is ready, you need a frozen plate. I got it here. I put in there for 20 minutes. And just we need to drop a few drops of your strawberry on the plate. It's gonna tend to solidify quite quickly. And as you can see, it's quite nice and firm already. But to see if it's really at the same good consistency, we need just to flip over this one, the finger, and then the two sides, they don't have to stick each other again. So that means that your jam is ready. And now let's pour it in our sterilized jar. It's very important to sterilize the jar before, just to allow your preservation of the jam. What we're going to do now is just simply clean up this dirty around here and leave some space to allow the jam to have some space in there. Just well sealed, and just baked in our oven, full steam oven, for about another 10 minutes. So obviously if you don't have a combi steam oven, you can simply do it in a big pot with a boiling water. And now we need just to wait 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, it just came out from the oven. Usually you need to let cool down overnight to be using, and now 8 it is. Before you open, you can store for 6 months. But actually I cannot wait to try, so I would like to try on my croissant. And there you have, here is my homemade strawberry jam with homemade croissant. Thanks for watching this video. Please follow us on Instagram or jump on our website for more recipes like this.